Uh, oh, it's stream. Hello, everybody. It's me. It's your Sunday fun day, buddy. Let's see if we're streaming on all the different places, because there's a lot of places we're streaming to now. We're streaming to Twitch. We're soon streaming to YouTube and Smashcast and Picardo. So whatever you guys want to watch the stream on, freaking go for it. Let's get a little announcement out so I can stop talking to myself like a freaking weirdo. This is the first announcement after we've merged together our two Discords, so this will be really interesting. Let's see, a Sunday stream with your little guy Axel. Very good, very good. Sup, Ryuzu? Ah, Ryuzu. You're very welcome. How are you doing today, Ryuzu? I hope you're doing fine. There's a lot of insect noises right now. Game maker, game dev, Voidigo. Yeah, we put the chat in Voidigo, I think. I'm not really sure where we should put the chat. It's a tough one to place. Maybe it should be in Importante? No, that doesn't make sense. Because it's not that important. And since it's also like it's both Thunder Humor and Voidigo live stream chat, so it doesn't really make sense to have it in Voidigo either. And game nights, baby, doesn't make sense. May have it on its own category. Yeah, I guess we could have one category for emote requests and live stream chat, but what would that even be called? Maybe we should just change the name of Importante and then put live stream chat and emote request in there as well. Maybe that's something to give a thinker about. Did I send the Twitch? Oh fuck, I sent it, but I forgot to put a GIF on it. Let's remove that tweet. That tweet will never be seen again. And let's try out with a GIF this time. Are we on stream GIF 3 at this point? I think so. Lada. This is one for the accountants. No. No. So, oh, that's a pretty loud game. That's a loud game. So today I want to make a little flip animation on the weapon when we do a dodge, just like we did on the flowers. Oop! Oh, I almost spilled my tea there. What don't I do for entertainment? So that thing that the weapon does, just copy that over to the player. Ay. Did you hear that? Ay. Now you know what that means, Adam. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Okay, let's do that. So. We did it for the melee weapon, so we should just copy this weapon flip. Let's do a script for weapon flip. Where do we have this script? Yeah. Whoops, did I do? Yeah. No. Let's make a new folder here called the weapon flip. Inte flippo, just flip. Make a new one called script web flip in it. Flip in it. How sick in the head are our viewers? Yeah, I mean, it still makes sense to have that poll up, I feel like. Wait, why is it so hard to read the feels meter? I think this is a great stream. I'm gonna press the happy man. I'm gonna press the happy man. I think we're live on everything now, yeah. We have 1 viewer on YouTube, 1 on Smashcast, and 3 on Twitch, to a total of 5 viewers. Thank you. It's pretty interesting, the restream stuff. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, so let's get all of these in here. And then let's do that instead. Yes sir, yes sir. And now we want to get that little code into our object weapon in it as well. Weapon flip. Yes. And where do we have the flip anim? Is it down here somewhere? Oh wait, this is the object weapon. We need to check in the object melee. Right. There we go. So let's do a script web flip anim. Seems like no one has made that yet, so let's be the first one to do that. This might be the first flip anim script made in GameMaker ever. Man, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Let's copy that over to our normal weapon. Pull gun animer. Where do we have flip? No, we want it next to pull. That's true. So flip and pull. Don't be shy, Bob. You can type. We want. Hey, what is the engine called? I don't recognize it. Hello, Ryan. You're very welcome. This is GameMaker. We've just put our own little color scheme to it, so it's a bit more purplish. It fits our theme. Our theme is very purple. Purple and yellow. And also some nice turquoise and pink. So that's fun. That's fun, I think. I'm gonna bug Walter to give me a retweet. Give me 1 sec while I'll wake the boy up for this important thing. Maybe, yeah. There we go, the boy has been bugged. Yeah, it's a bit thunder humorish. But it still has the taskbar as blue. Yeah. Can you even change that? In the kontrollpanelen? Fonstify. Yeah, look at that. See? That's cool. Alright, now that's purple too. You happy? You finally happy, Adam? Sup with him? How's it going? You doing alright? I hope you're doing alright. Alright, let's see how we yeah, the draw event as well. I think it's just flip anim. Yeah, flip anim. Stun sway plus flip anim. There we go. Now we should just be able to say web dot flip start equals to 1, and then it should do a flip. So let's try that out. Let's go to our player, a little player. Ooh, and now we need to find it. Yeah. In the kontrollpanelen, yeah. Never happy? Jesus Christ. But I like this purple, it feels nice. I guess it's in controls go that we need to do this. So the dodge. So let's see here, this is really, yeah, I guess we just need to do flip start equals 1 and then do web. Right, is it just web? Do we not have web anywhere? Yeah, we can do underscore web. Okay, let's see if that works. Is this the main thing you and Walter are doing now? Yes, yes it is. We want to make a living, and making games is fun, and it's the highest chance of getting somewhere. If we compare it to, let's say, as you said, Rita Tista or YouTube animations or whatever. Oh yeah, and it's also a good money laundering business. We're connected to the mafia in more ways than one. I'm marrying the mafia's daughter this next weekend, actually. It's gonna be fun. No one of you guys are invited though, only cool people. I'm sorry, but that was the mafia's rules. Only bring the rad dads, he said. Don Corleone. Did we get stuck in a compile forever time? Yeah, we did. Let's play an old build while we're waiting. That's probably a good way to do this. Like, just have an old build open, so when it's compiling, we can just keep playing. My family was over yesterday. All right, this one is super loud. My family was over yesterday, and my youngest brother, he tested the game out, and he liked it, but it's way too hard. The game is way too hard right now. But we'll start balancing. I think one thing is that once we get Walter's new level gen in, it's gonna be less of these huge rooms, because the biggest badly balanced thing right now is when it's a big room, you just get shot from all different angles, and it's just super hard. Like for example, these guys, they're just standing here and shooting me. So hopefully when we get it in, we can start trying out smaller areas. Okay, here we go. Yeah, look at that. Now the weapon does a flip together with the trash. Yeah, it feels good. Cool. First try. If we try it with a bit bigger weapons. Yeah, that's fine too. Yeah. No, I don't pay those. Oh, you go to a game dev school? Just like video game high school? The great TV. Oh right, we need to do some other things here, right? Wait, what? Yeah, because when we dodge backwards. So it's the right direction when we dodge forwards, but when we dodge backwards. Wait. Yeah, then it's the wrong direction. So maybe we should put this code elsewhere. Sup, Lucy? Also, maybe it's a bit too fast right now, the animation of the Flipperty. I'm gonna open a window. It's too hot. Oh, see you around, right? Let's see here. So we want this code to be elsewhere then. We probably want to have a flip start script actually. Script web flip start. And then it takes into account the web, the reverse. Yeah. And then we do width. Argument 0. Flip start is 1. Then we need a new guy here. Flip reverse 0. So flip reverse equals argument 1. So we can make sure that we have full control over this sheesh. So first let's fix the flower grunt, since we changed some stuff now. Enemies, world 1, grass, step, nope. There we go. God damn it, weapon 0. 2D co-op puzzle game in a sci-fi setting. That sounds fun. If you want to, you can post some work in progress pics and share your stuff. Always fun to see. Alright. Alright. So now we need to use this flip reverse in our animation code as well. So let's do that. If flip reverse, then go flip value times equals -1. Flip it if reverse. Find flip value based on weapon scale, Y scale. Start the flips. Do the flips. K. Real shout out to KKK. I don't mean that. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. So now I wonder where we should put this code. Oh, whoa. Maybe. Also, we wanted to make it a bit slower too. Right. Also, let's do an bounce out. So this is the animation curve. So it bounces a bit, maybe, yeah. And let's make it slower. Where do we have the dodge code? Here we go. Okay, I think we can do it like this. So if sprite state is not dodge, then oops, then set it to dodge, and also script weapon flip start web and not reversed. But if we're dodging backwards, then it should be reversed. That's my opinion. Wait, we can probably do this smarter too. We don't need this, right? we have one too many? Yeah. Right, we actually have these checks already in here. So we don't need them again. Let's indent this nicely. Make sure you what we were. Let's see. What I was working on while not streaming. I was doing bookkeeping for our company because it's that time of the month. What? I have music on. Is it too low? Okay, I bumped up the music. It might not be super audible if you don't have headphones though, but it's just a little background thing. Yeah, let's see if this works. Now it should flip backwards if the player is flipping backwards. Oop. Alright. So, ooh! That's it's a bit too long. I mean, it's kind of funny. Wait, it does 2 flips? That's weird. Let's see here. Oh wait, is it because I did the stupid? Yeah, it's probably because I did the stupid. No, I didn't do the stupid. Well, I did something stupid, obviously, but didn't do that stupid thing. So let's see here. Let's trace. All right. Yeah, it goes 2 times. So is it working? It goes goes counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, yeah. So the problem is that it does it 2 times. I think this is actually run just as I hit the ground as well. Maybe we need to get our dodge timer in here as well. No. No, that doesn't make sense. Do we need to set... Where is dodge being used? Set to 0 in an alarm. But what if we set it to 0 here instead? Would that fuck things up? Okay. That's a bad dodge. Yeah, that's not how we want to play it to dodge, do we? Pretty funny though. So I think what we want to do is actually go into our and sprite state is not equals to SS dodge. And sprite state is not equal to SS dodge back. Let's try that. Also, do we have more dodge logic down here? I guess the thing is that we're setting SS fly. Let's move the dodge things together to one place. So here we go, start, dodge, and here we now what are we doing down here? Ah, old last frame. We need to get the these guys into the fly logic as well. I think that's the ish. Oh, I'm sorry, can you guys hear the little babies? Seagulls? Well, you're a weirdo for calling kids seagulls, Adam. Okay, so now we're getting there, but now we have a pretty embarrassing fall. Okay, so that's still not really working. Take down, dodge, cooldown. Let's do stop, dodge. So if sprite state is ss dodge, or sprite state is ss dodge back, and this z is less than, is more than -10, then sprite state equals ss idle. Yeah, of course, yeah. Oopa. Let's try that. Okay, got worse. All right, and let's see here. Let's remove this alarm for now. And fizz s speed equals to 0, or rather no fizz z speed. Maybe we want to do this instead, actually. Let's try that. Let's try that. Okay. So, there has to be a nice way to do this. First off, we should probably have the stop before the start. Let's do fizz z equals 0. Oh, oh. So the problem is still that we go to a knockdown state. In slow motion it works though. Oh no, not that time. Why is that happening, huh? Don't need that one anymore. Do we need to have the bounce force as well, maybe? Let's try that. And let's put those in one. Just doing work so I am not spamming as much. That's fine. What's up, Tobias? How's it going? Mr. Man. Ba, 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 ba. Let's see if this works. And tada! Tada as in, no, it didn't work. If I could get this to work, we could get a much better, more flexible dodge system. So let's not give up. Let's not give up just yet. Maybe if we set it so Ooh. I'm reworking the dodge system, so it's a bit easier to work with. Right now there's just a timer and it's not really that good. So trying to fix it, but now she falls over when she hits the ground. I don't really understand why. Let's see if we even get to this part. Maybe we don't. Maybe that's the issue. Trace. Stop, dodge. Maybe that's where the shoe is too tight. Could be. Oh. Oh yeah, we never get to that point. Okay. So this is never activated. So is the music? Yeah, someone is playing loud music. That's fun. Let's see here. I guess we get this part. So somehow it must be changed to SS fly, so that's where we get the problem, right? Let's trace here. Let's trace fly. But yeah, if I rewrite this, then it's gonna be much easier to make it faster, work in slow motion, yada yada. You tell me. You can do anything if we get this to work. Anything, I tell you. Yeah, so we go to a fly sprite state. That's the problem. So if fizz z is not 0 and not dodge, and sprite state is not on ground, dodge or dodge back. But these two shouldn't make it so it doesn't go from dodge back to fly. So somewhere it needs to does a change as well. Maybe if we just did it like add the dodge logic in front of the fly logic. Maybe that should be enough. maybe. No. It looks like it's... Let's gift this. Okay, let's frame step this shit. Can I zoom in? Yes, we can. So we go down here, and then it goes to on ground. Which is very comical, but not really what we want. But our flip animation works pretty well. Look at this. Point down, what's there, what's there, what's there. Oh, that's not good. So why the fuck? Why the fuck? So I guess it's because don't understand this part. It should get to that. We'll figure it out, guys. Yours goes straight to fly. So it said so if it's not 0, so that means it's not really 0. So if we do, if it's more than -5, we get to the spot then. I think so, right? No, we don't even get to it there. What the heck? Let's just trace phys z speed, no phys z. And up. Z speed as well. And let's do it like this, trace z. Speed. I guess we could remove this trace as well now. Oh, so it's... Oh, Z speed is... I get it. So if Z speed is more than 0, more than or equals to 0, that means that it's on the way down. Yeah. Dramatic slow motion fall, yeah. I mean, at least it looks kinda interesting. It's fun. Let's gift this again. Do an area. Yeah, it's a good area. Okay. So at this point, we actually do get an idol. We do get an idol. And here it's 0Z, 8 in Z speed. And after that, it's just completely 0. So even though we get but it's kind of weird that it's too far down though. Wait, did we get this stop bounce? No, we still don't get that. Right. I compress the notepad. No. Nej, nej. I don't really get why this isn't happening at all though. This should happen fairly often, I think. Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any dang sense. Annoying. Annoying and not rad. Alright. Oh, yeah, now it happens. I mean, we still fall, but we get to the code. Alright, alright. So we get to the code and then it gets changed to fly. So let's try how we had it before, where we we did it underneath all of the fly and on-ground logic, so it's read afterwards. Maybe that's better. Alright, let's try that. Alright, let's try that. Ay ay ay, doesn't work. Ay ay ay. But we do get the stop dodge now, so that's a step in the right direction, I think. So we set the sprite state to idle, and then it loops around, and we get to the bloody da di da. Physics. And here, controls. Explore map. Change weapon. It's unfortunate how hard the player code is to read. Makes it really tough. So the problem is that phys z is not 0. If we trace phys z, then we trace phys z here as well. So then we can see at where phys z is. So somehow after hitting the ground, phys z is changed or something like that. Yeah, we're stopping the dodge at -8 and then we're starting the fly at 8 again. Because it's bouncing, I guess. Let's try if it's exactly 0. Can we even get this to happen then? I don't think so. Sup, Sweatswar? How's it going? No, now it goes directly to fly, so now we don't get this anymore. Maybe if we set phys z to 0 and phys z speed to 0. Yeah, a YouTube person. You can tell because of Vadim's really cool colors. Hey yeah! So now it works, but we don't get the cool bounce. But we can add that again. Nothing is broken on the bouncy side, right? Oh, that one breaks when we do fast, when we do speed up. I like the little bounce on the gun. You guys see that? But we're gonna tweak that. Okay, cool. So now we get the things, but the problem is that our animation system isn't playing correctly somehow. Let's see here. Where are we? So if previous sprite state is dodge or dodge back, then we do this. Do this. But somehow it's not. Does this not happen at all? Mouse. Let's remove the old trace we had. Where did we put that? Did we even have one? No, we didn't. So it's a good idea to stop looking for it. Aight. Do we get the bounce? No, we don't. So somehow it's not dodge. That is the I'm gonna close my window. Get these. Alright. Come on. Okay. Why do we have enemy bounce start? Player bounce start. Is there a difference? It's exactly the same. Exakt, men det same. Is it because the animation system is too high up? Should it be at the bottom? Oh, thanks for following, Olivia Quinn. Oh, wow. That's good. That's fun. New players, I mean new persons. I didn't mean to call you a player. You might not be a player. Now we're doing it. Now we got a nice little bounce when we land. Bonk, donk, blink, dink, bonk, schlomp. Schlomp is a bad word. Although it feels like we don't do a nice bounce when running. Yeah, we absolutely don't. Oh, is that because we go to oh. That is true, that is true. So it goes to an idol and then man. Let's try this. Oh man, these headphones, they keep tangling up on my freaking neck. My freaking man neck. Annoying but interesting facts. Aight. Hop. Now we're doing it. That's much better. That's the spirit. That's the cookies crumblies. So now let's make it more interesting. Now that we got the logic down, we can take a look at the actual look. Take a look at the look. Let's do 2 and let's do plus. How will this look? I don't know. But we'll find out. Might look super bad or super rad. Bad or rad, those are our 2 options. I'm not gonna say which one I'm rooting for, but that's exactly how I wanted it to look. He said, lyingly. So, oops. What is it even doing here? Bounce out plus. That's a crazy bounce. That's too crazy of a bounce. No wonder it's... do we have a medium? A medium rare bounce? Yeah, we do. Now this could be an interesting one to try out. But it's too slow nonetheless. Let's make it a bit faster. A bitsy fasty. I think that's cool. That's the way we want it. Now that's what I call game dev. Yeah. No. Oof, slow. Motion, I think is pretty good. Just too slow. Man, fuck these. I'm gonna have them in front. And I hope I don't know. I can't do that. It's just gonna fuck up with my microphone. Little microphone. No, it goes too far down. What does it? Is this cool maybe? Let's get longer gone. Ha! Ah, the never-ending headphone problems, yeah. Can't they just do cordless ones now? Couldn't we just do that for me now, please? Wouldn't it be fun if we did cordless headphones just for Axel? Just for a little Axel, wouldn't that be fun? Maybe I should just go with my big boy headphones actually. Let's do that. I mean, I'm a big boy, I should be able to use my big boy headphones. And now I can put this behind me and I don't hear anything. Because the headphones need to be plugged in to work. That's a fun little thing, not a lot of people know. Let's do this. And I hear my voice better anyway, so. Yeah, I think this is pretty rad. You guys, stop jumping. But yeah, I think this is good. This makes the weapon feel more like it's actually in my hand and not something else. Maybe I should do a script thing. BT headphones? What does BT stand for? 11 viewers apparently. I think we have more than that. We have 10 on Twitch, 1 on YouTube, 1 on Smashcast, and 1 on Picardo. That gives us a total of 13. Bluetooth. Yeah, that could be a nice investimento. What did I change? Yeah, right. Wait. Oh, something broke. I can't dodge anymore. That's not good. That's not good at all. Let's look at the dodge conditions. Also, let's remove the trace we did here. Blah 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 blah. See you later, trace. Script controls. Don't leave this alone. Dodge is 1, dodge timer. If and dodge time and sprite state. So our dodge timer didn't tick down. Oh. Maybe we should have dodge to 0 in here instead. Does that make sense? Sup Owen, how's it going? Or British Telecom, but I imagine not. Owenator. I mean, there's nothing to get there. I don't think there's anything to get there. It's cool. Some script think. My stand-up comedy career is already over. I'm sorry. But you had a good run, friend. My good old comedian friend Adam. Best comedian? No. He's the grandest comedian. Chuk 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 chuk. Chuk 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 chuk. Chuk 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 chuk. Chuk 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 chuk. We should just fix the script think for the player actually. Let's do that, let's do that. For the animation I mean. Let's do that. Image index equals image index plus image, oh wait, plus equals script think image index. Right, that's the right code, I think. I think he's trying to call me old. I wouldn't do that. I would never do that. That would be a career mistake if I were to do that. So I'm not gonna do that. Capiche? No. No, that did not work. Oh, sorry. Ah, sorry. Ah, sorry. Maybe we should have oh wait, what? Freaking idiot. That's not where I should put that code. I just did a freaking idiot move. What? Why would I do that? Animate sprite. Boop. Alright, Owen, you're only 15 years old, aren't you? Alright, Owen, aren't you like 12 years old? Wait, Owen, aren't you the one who's like 35 years old? Wait, Owen, you're 17, right? Yeah, I was right. Wait. Why is this happening? I guess we're actually... Yeah. So what we would need is to have an image speed. Let's see here. SPD, yeah. So image SPD, and let's go to see image speed. Do we have that anywhere? Yeah, here. That's it. And then let's go to our little animation. Find image speed, make it image SPD. Plop, plop, plop. Oh no, plop, plop, plop. Yeah. Replace all. Yeah. Let's try that. Sup Rubes, how you doing? How you doing? I'm working on we fixed the weapon flipping when we dodge, and now I'm just trying to fix slow motion. Yeah, and now it works. See? Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo choo choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Choo choo. See? Everything is cool with slow motion. So that little thing was really valuable, I think, because now we can do cool slow motion. Choo 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 choo. Choo 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 choo. Probably never gonna use it, but hey, sometimes you gotta do something, you gotta treat yourself, you know? Choo 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 choo. Also, one thing is that we should make so you don't actually hurt enemies that are already dead, because right now you can. Why do the bullets scale down and up when in slow-mo? Oh, they do! I didn't notice that. 100 days over, that's fun. I think there's a lot of things that doesn't work when doing slow motion. If we want to use it, we're gonna have to go through everything. But it was just a little fun thing. So what we wanted to do was make sure that we can't shoot dead flower turrets. So first let's go to flower turret, then let's go to animation end. No, not animation end, but step. Oh right, we can go into play and remove the dodge. Yeah, we can remove this. So now we can use this alarm for something else in the future. So death logic. So if dead is 1, then we can't hurt. And shouldn't break the bullets. So script enemy hit. We're using this in 3 different places. So and dead is 0 and not dead. If not dead. There we go, now we shouldn't be able to shoot. Just kidding, we broke it. Yeah. There we go. Sup rocks. How's your career going? No one has written Axela in our chat today, and I think that's a great mistake. I think that's something. Let's see here. All right. No, I think it's fine. Oh, thank you, Ascendris, for following. What a sweet move. Ooh. We got that shit. So let's see here. Oh, right. We need to do. E dot dead. Yeah, didn't you hear it, Rubes? Type it again, Adam. I said type it again. I said do my bidding. Come on. It's so creepy. I love it. Well, seems like the piggies are working as they should behave. It's the flower turret. Yeah. So now you shouldn't be able, because sometimes when the flower turrets died and they were still playing their death animation, you could shoot at it and then it would take an extra bullet even though it was already dead, which is kinda annoying. But now it's not annoying anymore. What's the sound? A clap? A smack on the sheet? It says, it's Walter saying excellent. And then a bunch of sound effects and a little fart at the end. Thank you for following, it's the broad. What a nice thing to do. I hope we will become good friends in the future. Maybe you could attend my wedding. If you want a wedding invitation, just let me know and we can get that shit going. So now we fixed those things. We're doing some good deeds today. Next thing I want to do is, come on, just show yourself, you stinking rat. It's kinda ugly when they are both dodging at the same time. I'm not actually planning a wedding. It was a joke from earlier about me being married to the mafia's daughter. Just a little callback, you know, I like doing callbacks in my live stream comedy. That's just my style, you know. Oh, that's not gonna work. Oh, hey, Snake Robot! This guy is really cool. He's a really good animator. You guys have probably seen some of his stuff. If not, then you should check him out. So what I want to do next is to do a first version of our ambience creation system. Work in progress name as well as system. But it's gonna be like... I'll just open paint real quick. No, that's the wrong paint. I wanted to open up the quick paint and now it opened up the slow paint. Blah blah blah, shut up forever, Clip Studio Paint. You're making too much noise. There is a color difference on the chat on stream. The two purples next to each other. That's because it's supposed to be Walter's webcam over there. I mean, I could make it longer, but then it's gonna be really annoying getting Walter. I could also go in and like if I go to my chat in here. Oh no, wait, that's not how I do it. Go into restream thing. And I could make the appearance. Is that it? No, it's the web server. No, it's the embed chat in share. I can do this, but then it's much harder to read. And do you really like Not being able to read the chat, Adam? I don't think so. I don't think you do, actually. I think you actually like reading the chat. So you're just gonna have to abide. So, the system I want to start creating right now is the following. God damn it. God damn it. There we go. So, if this is the player window, that's not a good player window. If this is the player window here, here's the player, then we want to have a system that creates instances outside of the window, like the frame the player has. So this could be a bird that flies in, and maybe a leaf that flies in or whatever. But the problem is that we need to take into account all views. I don't understand your emojis, Vadim, but I really appreciate them. I think they are really cool. But then, like, if there's a player over here and his view is like this, then we shouldn't be able to create something here, because then this player would see it pop in. So we need to take all views into accord when creating this. So that's the new system. And here's a funny guy. Haha, who's this guy? Ooh, he's just a funny guy. He approves of this system. Look at this guy. He thinks it's alright. He's got a little bit of hair. And he's got a nose. Wow, I'm really starting to feel like this guy is a real good guy. He's just your run-of-the-mill white-collar worker. Blue-collar worker? I don't know, he's some color worker. And he's got my back. He thinks I can do a nice system. Sure, he hasn't shaved his neck in a while, but he's got my back, and that's what's important. Sure, he's got some big teeth, but what's important is that he's got my back. Man, I love this guy. Let's do this system. Sup, Kinsruru? Oh, is this Meow? Is this Meow? Very welcome to the chat, Meow. Okay, so I guess this system would be best to have in the object view. Although, no, maybe it would be better to have in the object player, actually. Yeah, it's better to have in the object player, I think. Come on, let me... Okay. Instant deactivate. What is this? Knocked out. Yes, it is. 'Tis. Well, you're very welcome to the big stream. Big stream Sunday. So yeah, should we do it in the object view or in the object player, or should we do a new object that follows the player? Let's do it inside of the player for now. So let's do alarm numbers 8. And let's set alarm number 8 to be updating maybe every 2 seconds. Maybe every 4th second. just like the Xbox. And this is the ambience spawning. So let's say we want to spawn an let's say we spawn a bone man. So x equals view hview. No, view. Let's see. Yeah, the width plus do a new variable here. Variable x is the width plus maybe oh, that's true. Maybe it should be an a round ring around you instead. So length there x. So the length is the u width, yeah, and the direction is 360. Then we do the same here. Makes sense right now, and then let's just try instance spawn, instance create x and y and object enemy grunt bone man. Start ambience spawning, and this is gonna have to be specific to where you are as well. Yeah, that's fine. Sabaza. Oh wait. I don't think this is how we spawn enemies actually. Chat commands. Where is the spawn? There is the spawn. Let's do this guy, crossbone guy. Let's do 720. Hmm. That's fine, Rue. I barely understand myself, so it's just part of the game. It's just part of the game. Just say things that make you sound like you kind of know what you're doing, and then hope it doesn't break. But that's a big part of the fun, so... Okay, let's try this out. So, if I just stand like this... If I just run around, will there be... Did I not start it? No, I never started it. That's stupid. Okay, now things could maybe start happening. So the most important thing right now is just to make sure that we don't see the bone men spawning in. Let's just run around here. See if we start running into any bone men. Oh wait, of course. We should do X plus and Y plus, because now it was just spawning up in the corner. Yeah, make it sound like you know what you're doing. That's how we adults live life, you know. Quick paint, slow paint. Now I get it, but now I understand it, and I'm glad I do. Okay, let's see. Is there a bone man? Is a bone man gonna spawn in and start running at me like a freaking crazy man? Is there a bone man around here? I hope there's not a bone man around here. Come on, bone man. Come on, bone man. Where's my freaking bone mans? Is it not working? Oh! Hello, sir. Oh! They got friends coming in. That's fun, that's fun. Is there any more? I should make it faster. Let's make 180. Just as when we're testing this. God damn it, Adam! Don't make fun of me. I'm thinking so much right now. Let's do a var pad. Let's do a padding of 150. Pattern. Thank you. Very nice. Are those animated grass patches, animated tiles, or objects? Which ones are you talking about? It's a bunch of animated stuff, at least. Oh, it's animated objects. It's not tiles. Everything is tiles, but for the objects, we can actually run into them. So it's like it's bouncing. And then they just have a really slow animation to make it feel like it's kind of windy. Come on, come on. Where are my bones at? Where are my bones at? It feels like they might be cold. They are spawning and then being cold as they spawn. That might be the problem. So maybe we should do something else than enemies right now. Maybe we should do ja, what should we do? We could do something that's pretty obvious. We could do spawn some shares. Yeah, let's spawn some shares. So, oh, I did it all wrong. X, Y, object, that's the way it should be. You're the bone saw now, boy! Sup again? How you doing? Okay, got the name of the game. This reminds me of Realm of the Mad God. I have heard of Realm of the Mad God, but I can't really place it. I'm gonna Google it. Oh, I don't think I've actually seen this game. I might just have heard the name. But that's cool, that's cool. Let's see if we can get some shares spawning out of view. Unfortunately, we couldn't do Bone Men because we need a way to add them to the culling system nicely. And the culling system is still a work in progress. No shares? It says spawned a bunch of times. It's spawning a bunch of shares, but I don't see the shares. Are they hidden inside the walls? No. So where the frick are the shares? Oh, is it because we need to do instance equals bloody data and then instance.biome equals 0? That what we had to do? Yeah. What is wrong here? Okay. It's probably because of the way things shoot at you. What's specific of the way you get shot at in Realm of the Mad God? It's good ref, always good ref to do some comparisons. Okay, now we should be seeing some shares. One share should have already been spawned. 2 shares, 3 shares. I don't see any shares though, what the fuck? Oh, it's over there? God damn it, get out of here everyone. Oh! Oh! So now we get procedural shares spawning out of view. That's fun. But it feels like if I just run in a circle here, I should be seeing more shares every now and then. But I don't. Oh, it's too much maybe. Width or length should be divided by 2 plus padding. Because now we made it way too much. Let's do 50 padding. You saw me doing it? Let's see here. Like instead of 1 or 3 to 4 bullets being shot at you, it's like 20 at the same time, as if someone is spraying with bullets. Yeah, I can see that. It's way too hard right now though, the game. But we'll balance it. So it's just way too many bullets right now. Where are my shares? Oh, that's creepy. There wasn't a share there before. Oh man, that's creepy. That's very creepy. Oh man, this is like a scary movie where shares pop up in places where there weren't shares before. You know, like those scary movies. Oh my god, look at these. There's a bunch of scary... Oh my god, look at these scary shares. I bet that, yeah. If I open up the walls, there's a bunch of shares. Just hiding in the walls. Coming out of the woodwork. Okay, cool. And I think this is kind of working. Yeah. Oh wow, those... I just want to just stand still for a second here and make sure we don't actually see any shares spawning in. Like we see them popping in. No. I think the padding is alright. Yeah, let's trace X, so it's a bit easier to see. Maybe we only need a padding of 20. So now we need to make sure that it's, let's see, script call. Script in view padding. Why would it be player times 2? That's weird. So, So I guess we need to go through all layers and check that it's not inside of their views. Wait, what? No, we don't need to do that. We only need to do it if it's in the view of any player. In view, let's do in view stat, and if it's not in view, then spawn it and trace the X. So let's see here. Keep the alarm ticking. Decide new position. Check if in view all players. And then if not in view by any player, spawn. Else we trace we can set the alarm to 1, and then it tries it again. And then we do a try again, bozo. Alright. Oh, I feel like I missed. Shares, not cards. Yeah, that makes more sense, you weirdo. Freaking weirdo. Wait, why are the walls disappearing when he hovers? Yeah, I got a bug, like a debug remove walls button. It's really good, just for testing things out. Alright, let's try this. Yeah, I think Walter's calling is kind of weird right now because he's using object player number as the padding, which doesn't make any sense. But it's a work in progress. Oh, I am the dev. Adam just wants to push me into the mud. Alright, let's see. So one thing we could try is... Oh, so try again bozo keeps happening. So it tries to spawn inside my view. Jaha. Jaha. Let's try zero padding. Well, I have a love-love relationship with Adam, and he has a hate-hate relationship with me. But we make it work. We make it work. Together we can stand against anything. Okay, so it's still trying to spawn in my view apparently. Because it keeps saying try again bozo down here in the corner, you see. Try again bozo. So if we make the padding 100, will we still get the try again bozo? Wait a second, how? No. Still try again bozo. Yeah. Let's just put a crazy number in here. Wait a second. What is it even checking if it's in the view? If the player is in the view? Hold on a second. Yeah, this checks if the player is in the view. Ay, that's true, so we need to do it some other way. Let's make a new call, the object ambiance spawn. Ambiance, is that how you spell ambiance? I think it is, right? Yes. Let's do ambiance underscore spawn. Let's just make this what should we make this? Let's make it a dummy for now. Let's make the depth a crazy numby. That's it. So let's do so now instead we spawn the ambience thing, and then we do with our ambience, and then we check if it's in the view of anyone. If it's in the view, then instance destroy, else nothing. Sorry, let's do other dot alarm 8 is trace 1, and then we trace boso, else we trace sprite, no, it's x. So now we make an alarm, we find a position, we spawn our new object, this one, and then we check if it's in the view. And if it is, then we try to find a new position by setting this one to 1 again, and then we send a message. Oof, let's try that. Is Adam my biggest lover? I mean, I have a lot of big lovers, but Adam might be the biggest. It's hard to know at this point. It's really, really hard. There we go. Now we got the Walter retweet. I think he woke up, the little guy. So that's good. Let's see here. If I just stand here. Okay, one thing spawned. Ooh. Okay. Is it always spawning in the same spot? Yeah, it keeps spawning in the same spot. Oh, of course. Direction is MP random 360. Of course. I think you guys should try to promote the Voidigo hashtag more. I mean, right now it's just a little thing. Don't wanna put. Nah, I think it's fine. It will. It's just like it's not really. It's more of just search for this hashtag for all of our tweets. It's not really something we want to go viral, it's fine. It's just something we use to categorize our tweets. So I think the padding is too little. So let's try this again. Oh, P doesn't mean player, it means padding. Now I understand the calling thing. I was the stupid one. Okay, let's see here. Okay, one thing spawned there, okay. Another thing spawned. Don't see it. Couple of things have spawned, but I don't see them. Oh, up there. Okay, we're getting some spawns here. if I spawn a player here and walk away, then it shouldn't spawn next to him or her. So if we just stay here for a little while and just wait for a bunch of these weird guys to spawn. Let's see. Don't I should help, just don't budge, but use. I share their own tweet. I don't use Twitter, so I don't know how to move around it, so I did my best with the knowledge I have. I appreciate it, Rue. Very nice. Oh, that's really nice. What a nice deal. You get da, 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 da. Okay, let's see if this spawns some things. Okay, this looks pretty good. They seem to be spawning outside of this player's view as well. Okay, alright. Also, I did it wrong. I should probably just go in here and do minus and do image speed is 0. Let's do that. But we're slowly getting a nice little system here, guys. So if we just do NPC kill everything. We spawn a player here, and we walk away. And then we wait around for a little bit. Maybe talk about the weather. The weather today is guys can't really tell, can you? Maybe we shouldn't talk about the weather on these game development streams. Maybe that's a waste of everybody's time. I don't want to waste anybody's time, you know. I wouldn't want to do that. Okay. Ooh, this is bad. This shouldn't have been allowed to happen. Because this one is absolutely inside this guy's view. It's really weird. It's like a round ring around this player, just scary dummies watching him. Ooh. That shouldn't have been allowed to happen. So why is this? This should look through. Maybe we want a little padding on this anyways. That's interesting in the worst way possible. Maybe spawning a player isn't the right way to do. No, it's probably not. It's DP max players and not the amount of object players. So that's why, yeah, we can't really test this without actual multiplayer. So let's just imagine this is working. I think it's probably working right now. So what we need to do now is just to make different things. Yeah. So let's start with a flying bird. So in here, it should just set an alarm to 1. And in this alarm, we also sprite no one. Spawn the ambient effect. Spawn the whatever. So if instance exists object room, let's see, what would be the best way to do this? Right, we also need to do a host thing. Is it ID? Get out of here. Yeah, show me the thing. Yeah. So, yes. But I wonder how to do. If script check material size X and Y, if the material is material grass, then let's do also we might want to do if X, no wait, we can't do that yet, we need to do it in here. Let's have this open. Find out placement. So if X is less than the player, no, that's not how you do it. Then sup Pico, very welcome to this little Sunday stream that I call my home. So if X is less than the host X, then we're on the left side. So side is, how should we do this? Horizontal equals -1, else horizontal equals 1. And then we want to do this for the vertical position as well. So if Y is less than host Y, then we're actually vertical Then we're above. Let's do horizontal equals 0, vertical equals 0. So now we can tell where we are. Yeah. Sorry for yawning. It's not my fault, it's my human body. And my human body. So let's do a new object. Or we can just create a bird. I guess we could just create a bird. Yeah, we could just create a bird. General effects, ambience, spawning. Should we call it ambient spawning? Or ambient spawning? I feel like that has a better sound to it. Let's call it ambient spawning. Ooh, already feels nicer on my tongue. Let's do that. Yes. Yes. So let's do a new script and let's call the script bird spawn. So, and let's take into account the horizontal placement. I think we should do that. So if grass, then we could spawn a bird horizontal, and then let's trace birdie, because that's a good thing. And then instance destroy. And of course, otherwise we should do an instance destroy as well. Oh, you've been cleaning the whole day? That sounds horrible. Translate a Korean stream for a friend. With friends like these. Okay, so bird is instance spawn, instance create. I always do this. X, Y, object, world, one effects. Bird. And then we want to do some specifics that puts this bird into motion. We want to first off make... Why would that be? I think it should be MP. That can be SP. We want to set the bird count to 0, which makes it so there's no more than one bird that spawns. Why haven't I? Frickin'. We want to set fly to 1. We want to set the ASP to horizontal, right? Think. And then we want to set the bird max speed to dB divided by the h speed. Let's just do a width. Let's do that. And let's do set direction. Let's do the anim. Let's do the image speed. Maybe this will work. So this could spawn some flying birds outside of the player's view. Could spawn. And if it doesn't, then I fucked something up. But don't tell anyone. Oh, I did fuck something up. If script material, yes. Do that. Fingers freaking crossed. Also, why would you have your fingers crossed over your head like this? That's weird. That's freaking weird, dude. Let's try this out for size. Let's see, can we get some birds? No birds? Oh, right. Because it needs to be on grass. We should probably do... Yeah, I guess like this. Mud and temple and broken. Oh, thank you for following, Crescenstein. Good moves. Let's do a trace for these as well. Yeah. Throughout this entire time, I have no clue to what he's attempting to do. I'm trying to make birds spawn outside of my view and then fly into my view. So it feels like the world is... Wait, what's going on in the chat? Crass army has arrived. Crass army. Am I getting raided? This is the first time in my life. I don't understand this. Is the Crass army something scary? Oh my god, I'm so close to crying right now. Well, it's fun to have some new viewers. We're working on Voidigo. Oh, thank you for following Phil the Beast. Thank you, Crass Army. I'm getting raided by one guy. So let's see if we can get some birds in here. But yeah, this is Voidigo. Thank you, Phil the Beast, for following one more time. Oh, we got a crash. Oh, of course. But that's good. At least it tried to spawn a bird this time. So other dot horizontal. Oh, he hosted. We really need to change the view for that. And yeah, Adam, please please be nice to the fucking general of this fucking army, dude. Alright, let's kill everyone. Let's kill everyone. Let's see if we can spawn some birds. Okay, there was a bird that spawned there. Okay, there's a bunch of birds spawning, but we don't see them. That's unfortunate. Are they flying the wrong way, maybe? Oh, thank you, Steve. How does one host even? You click the buttons on Twitch, I think. Yeah, we have 2 chats. We got... Oh, we actually have a bunch of chats. We're streaming on YouTube as well. But we have a Discord chat and a Twitch chat. And that's fun. Okay, that's... Maybe we just need to flip the horizontal thing. So horizontal times equals -1? No, we can't do that. But we can do that. So maybe the birds were spawning but flying the wrong way. I mean, really we should just make a new object for this. It would be better if we just did a new object. Oh wow, 30 viewers! That's fun! Walter is probably super sad he can't witness this raid. Yeah, the top 3? Oh my god, Engan, do you wanna join in on this? To up the entertainment levels? That's fun! Okay, let's see if we can get some birds. That's understandable, hang on. I will see you at the top. Okay, we got a sandbird. But we don't see the sandbird. We got a grassbird. Oh! Yeah, did you see that? So ambient. Oh, look at this bird! We got it to work, guys! Now there's some random birds flying in every now and then. That's nice. Can we get some more birds? Was that really all the birds? Yeah, I'm really excited by birds. Oh, there's another one! Yeah, it's really cute. That's fun. Now we can do whatever. See more birds. Oh, but that one had some weird depth issues though. Ah, right. Wait, why would it have depth issues? That doesn't make... Hello, Phil the Beast, and welcome to the Discord chat. This is a place of love, so please be lovely. But it says I'm spawning way more birds than I'm seeing. I guess a lot of birds are spawning like high above me or high below me, and then I don't see them at all. So that's a little problem. Don't make me embarrassed, Pico. Go back to cleaning your desk. Birds are... Ooh. Hello. Well, oh. But I think the annoying thing we need to do is to make a new object for these birds, since they are kinda it's a lot of unnecessary code if they are just flying like this, because we don't really need that much code to do that. So maybe it would be smarter to do a new one. Alright, see you around, Krasenstein. Thanks for raiding me, I think. I think that's a good thing, right? I don't think he actually took any of my money. Let's see what people say in the Twitch chat. Making game for 2 hours, adding... I did more things! I did more things, guys, come on. I did the freaking dodge. I made the dodge freaking amazing. So don't forget about dodge, please. And also slow motion. Woo woo woo. Woo 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 woo. Woo woo woo. Woo woo woo. And that's cool. Hello, Victor. Groovy Tunes. Your Groovy Tunes. Spent 6 hours trying to turn audio on, and it's still not working. Audio can be a fickle mistress. That's why we got Engan. Alright, so I guess we gotta do the annoying thing of making a new bird. Me. Oh, you wanna join in for real? Or are you're saying me because I mentioned you? Engan knows how to turn audio on. Yeah, it does. Does the game time actually slow while doing bullet time? Yeah, it does, but right now we it's just for development, for debugging. So like if we wanna check something in slow motion, we can use debug slow or fast. So it's not really a game mechanic model, so it's more of a debug than a game mechanic. But it's kind of fun to just do some bullet time anyways, you know? But yeah, everything slows down. Some animations don't, but the important things do. Is this a parody of Romeo and Juliet? I mean, it could be. It should be. Thank you for following, Rue. Okay, so you can see how projectiles are interacting. Yeah, I mean you can see anything, just for debugging things it's almost always easier to see it in slow motion than real speed. So you can see where all the variables go wrong. And see, there's a bird. And we didn't have that before, guys. If Axel gets confused between a host and a follow one more time... Oh no! Well... Oh yeah, I wanna talk to a cool guy. I'm gonna call you up again. Let's get this audio boy in here. Hello, Egan. Hello, Egan. Don't think he's here yet. Ooh, he's here, but my audio. Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I didn't need to fix it.
Yeah. Wait. Talk.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, okay.
It was a little laggy at first. I was like, "What's going on here?" But I guess it's.
Well, it's probably because I'm playing the most cool game.
It is a really cool game.
No, thank you. I think your game is really cool too.
The game of life.
All
Did you know that we're almost the top 1?
Oh, we are?
We're only like 8 behind.
That's cool.
We've never been this high.
Wow. Oh, except that one time in high school?
When we were...
super high.
We never went to high school, guys.
No.
Well, together we went. Of course, we went.
We're both dropouts.
Making games.
Oh, look at how many birds!
Hey, this guy that's on the top 1, he's making a exact clone of our game.
Holy fuck. Does it look better or worse, or somewhere in between?
He's doing it in 4 dimensions.
Fuck,
I can't even see this game, guys.
You got a twist in the 4th dimension.
I wish I could see the 4th dimension for what it truly is.
Have you seen the game with the 4th dimension? Not the one
really
he's making, but...
What's it called? Samurai guy. No, it's like... It has like a...
That's such a bad name for 4D game.
I'm making a 4D experimental experience game. What am I gonna call it?
Samurai guy. Yeah, ship it.
No, but it's like it has a name like Ikaruga.
Yeah, it's something.
But it's not Ikaruga. It's like Ikarara.
Yeah, it's something like that. I saw some gameplay and some explanation video the other week. It's pretty cool.
But like, I can't even like understand how he went about like of doing it.
Well, did you see the explanation one he did in 2D?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Like but I still don't understand it. Maybe I have a 3D brain.
Yeah, or maybe you skipped high school.
Well, that I did.
Well, there. Twitch has a poll. Yeah, welcome everybody. It's really fun to have a streaming audience. That's not only Adam. You know?
Oh yeah. Who is Adam really? I mean,
dude, should we do a djupdykning?
A djupdykning?
Maybe we should. Can you make your sound a bit louder?
Mine?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry.
Okay, it's at 50%. That should be enough, right?
That's enough. That's perfect.
Okay, I didn't change a thing.
Well,
once again...
Oh, shit. Okay. Well, I think it's perfect.
So what have you been working on?
I rewrote the entire dodge, so it's a bit easier to work with code-wise. So a lot of backend.
But it's the same, right?
Yeah, the only thing I added was that the weapon also flips when you dodge now. So before the weapon was just completely still in the air, you know?
So you can't shoot while you dodge, I guess.
No.
Maybe you should have a character that can do that.
It could be interesting. But the weapon still rotates.
Yeah, I see that.
So you don't have... yeah, but I mean if we have a character that shoots, so you can't really control it.
It would be cool to have a character that shoots while he does it, so that the bullets fly in a circular pattern.
Yeah, that could absolutely be an abilitoire.
Abilitoire? Is that really a French word?
Did it sound really French?
Does it come from the French language?
Let's see.
Because I know that there are words in English that are like straight out of French.
Yeah. Oh, it's probabilité. Probabilité.
It's like sometimes they say
Probabilité.
à propos.
Probability is ability in French. But probability is something completely different in English, though.
Probability.
Oh, probabilité.
4. God damn it! What's up with the flies, man? It's September. Get out of here.
Oh, but I'm having a real fruit fly infestation this month.
Yeah, it's like they're going crazy now
Yeah.
at the end of their lifespan.
Well, I think it's the harvest, you know?
The blood harvest.
The harvest.
Well,
Uh,
does the game work in multiplayer now?
oh, thank you for following Anti3. No.
Okay.
Walter started work on the calling system and then he left it for the level gen and it's been broken since.
Interesting.
So we can't really test much just right now. But one day.
Well, it's not like we don't have multiplayer. We have working multiplayer, but it's
Yeah, it's just desyncing because of the calling system right now.
we
So
have
it's-
played it in multiplayer, guys. You don't
Yeah.
have to worry.
If I just disable the calling, we can play. It's just that it's kind of unoptimized.
Yeah, and it is fun.
Yeah, and that's the most important part.
Hi, I'm from the game Voidigo.
Is this a character or you?
This is a Kickstarter.
Oh, okay.
We're doing it live.
All right. Well, let's freaking do it. Let's do the. Walter will be so mad. We just released the Kickstarter.
Now, like,
Yeah, with a bad webcam.
hi, with the mic quality, like, oh my god.
Why did you do that?
Hi guys, we're making a video game.
We need this much money.
We need a couple of dollars to finish this game.
And here's some multiplayer gameplay, and we just get desynced over and over again.
That would actually be fun to do a fake Kickstarter.
Yeah.
They don't have any like restrictions on what you can put up, right?
I'm not sure. What do you mean?
It's like kickstart a broken mess for fun.
Oh, no, I think you can. Isn't that kind of what Goat Simulator was?
That's true.
Oh, I can't remember. Was Goat Simulator Kickstarter though?
I don't think so. I think they just released it on their, because they are a real company.
Yeah. Coffee something.
Yeah, they're from here.
Yeah. Oh, from that city.
Yeah,
Oh man, does it
They
feel
live
crazy living so close to them?
I'm scared of them.
Oh yeah, I can see that. Freaking weirdo. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
I'm so offended by you right now.
Understandable.
I'm trying to make trees in 3D.
Have you seen, what is that? Quick tree, fast tree, tree maker. It's like a very used program for making trees fast in 3D. Might be super expensive though.
I mean, I'm not gonna use preset programs. I want to learn how to make it
Yeah,
myself. But it's cool to look at.
Yeah, speed tree.
Speed tree.
It's very used in the industry, but it's for sure better just to.
I think it's because I started like in the music world.
Yeah.
Like it's really important for me and like my friends to make our own stuff.
I thought you would say the trees.
to make our own tree. No, but because when you started making music, you usually used like presets and
yeah, that's
and like
understandable.
yeah. But then when you started like learning more and more, you kind of like, it's more fun to make it yourself. So that's like a philosophy, I guess, that I've had since those days.
Since you quit high school.
Yeah.
I think it's a good philosophy.
Yeah, I mean, it's more, yeah.
Don't say anything disgusting now.
Slorgor.
No! God damn it.
What do you think about Battlegrounds using Unreal assets?
They are already doing that, right?
Yeah.
I think it's fine.
You think it's fine?
Yeah,
I mean,
sure.
I think it's fine. I just think it's lazy.
Yeah.
Lazy.
Yeah,
because they're clearly not optimized.
Oh yeah, you think that's a big part?
I think they just don't
Like
know
they
what to
have
do with
too much
models.
high poly.
Yeah, that's why it's all because they probably bought a bunch of models that they don't know what to do with.
I think if they just work on their loading system, it would be much better.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's the only thing that's broken.
Yeah, I mean, the entirety of the game is super slow too, right?
Yeah, but it's mostly because of that.
Okay.
It's loading assets in the background or something. I don't know. At least on my computer, it's really bad.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I agree. Did you try the new update? Is it still super slow for you?
No, it's better, but the loading is still like at the start. I can't play for like 5 minutes.
Ugh.
Not hating on Battlegrounds, but you know,
if you made it faster,
if you have sold 1.5 million, you should should probably get on this.
No, they're gonna make a new map. Did that make you angry?
Yeah. No. Actually, I want them to do a new map so that it's gonna stop lagging.
Oh, that's true. If they make their own map with their own assets, maybe then it could be all right.
Yeah.
One can wish.
Honestly, I just want a big developer to make a game like that and just like, take over. It would be cool.
That would be fun.
Speed Trees is a program for generating trees for use in games.
Oh, did you hear the thing about PlayerUnknown trying to sue some game that did the Battle Royale theme?
Oh yeah. Well, it wasn't a game. It was just
a game
epic.
Mode?
It's such a weird thing, and it's been talked about a lot. But why are they so mad at the company that their engine is from? It's like they're blaming Epic Games, but they're using Unreal, and it's such a weird like.
Oh
yeah, like we're gonna sue you guys. It's like what?
Oh, that's so stupid.
It's super weird, but it's I don't know. Maybe the money got to their heads.
Understandable.
Yeah, I would be the same.
Yeah, I would go crazy with some moolah. But you know. So what are you up to today? Oh yeah, some trees.
Yeah, I'm doing a tree, and then I'm gonna model a Black Hawk helicopter. I think. Just a simple
that's
one.
Cool. I really like your global one.
Oh, thank you. It's an old one, but
yeah, I thought did you do something new with it, or I thought I had seen the global one.
It's just that it's when you upload a video on Instagram, it looks like absolute garbage.
Oh, you made it a video first.
Yeah.
Oh, that's true.
I took the like render and just posted it because it looks way better.
Oh, okay. That explains it. That's unfortunate.
I see that Star Wars use speed trees.
Yeah, I mean, I think a lot of studios do.
Oh, I could see that the new Jurassic Park did too.
How did you see that?
No, it's in the thing.
Oh, okay.
But also, it makes sense because that movie looked like a video game cutscene all the way through.
The Jurassic World?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Didn't you like react to the constant like bloom and everything looked a little off? Like everything was made in like CG?
It was a. I can't remember.
Kind of like how The Hobbit looked.
Yeah.
You know, like it's just like a weird, like a fantasy style to it.
I can't say I remember thinking that. I'm sorry, but if I see it again, if I see it again, I bet I will. All right?
Yeah.
You just leave the car.
What does the chat think about Jurassic World? No, I'm kidding.
No, I think we should. Chat, what do you think about Jurassic World? I thought it was cool that Lauren Lapkus got a nice role. And
Lauren Lapkus?
Lauren Lapkus, one of the engineers.
Oh, I thought you meant like the big dinosaur.
Oh, it wasn't that like a kill death robot. Oh, what it had like some Maximus Dominus.
Dominus Dinosaurius.
Yeah, that's the one. Dominus Dinosaurius.
Yeah, I did not like that movie, but then again, I'm kind of. You know.
I was indifferent to it. I wasn't very sensitive about Jurassic Park. I didn't really see it when I was young.
Yeah, same. It's not like a almighty movie as it seems to be for a lot of people.
Yeah.
Same with Back to the Future. I mean, I guess it's fine, but it's not like
Yeah. I do like Back to the Future more than Jurassic Park, though.
Yeah. Well, the old Jurassic Park, the original.
The first one is pretty good, but it doesn't really have like the cozy. Like you don't really care about the characters as much as you do in.
That's true.
Back to the Future.
It has.
That, I mean, that cool dino. Yeah, it does have a cool dino.
The T-Rex in the night was the scariest thing for me when I was a kid.
Oh, when it eats the outhouse one?
Like the car scene.
Yeah.
That was such a, that's a good scene from a movie.
Yeah, it was good.
Kind of like Voidigo.
Oh, this is a video game I want to play. What does this chat talk about? Hello, Rexy, and welcome.
I can make a little summary here.
Okay, go.
Jurassic World, not your conversing with American people. Ha ha. What? Also, Adam, when you the way you say ha ha, it looks like you're always doing it sarcastically.
Yeah, it's like ha ha.
It's like ha ha or ha ha. I'm just gonna say I'm not reading it as a ha ha. It's more like a.
It's
huh, huh.
It's very
it's
sarcastic.
British. It's a British way of doing it, I guess.
Yeah, could be.
What do you have to say for yourself?
So your summary went one sentence and then...
I'm just railing on Adam.
This is the okay summary. I've had better.
Oh gosh, Engen gonna have to tap you out now.
Oh boy. Is he kidding? Or did he say ha ha?
This was about what I said about Jurassic Park.
Understandable. This engine is GameMaker 133D. Yes, continuing. I said continue, dude.
That's because I'm socially awkward.
No, it's because you
Come on.
accidentally put a space between your ha and your ha.
It's just the way I read it. It's just, you know, it's fine though. Don't stop. It's everybody's got their thing.
Yeah,
I used to type LOL when I was a
Little
young
guy.
Little guy. Epic fail.
Yeah, that's how you contacted us, I remember.
I wrote to you guys. I remember this.
A freaking snail mail letter.
Yeah, it said epic fail XD. And then my email, and you guys were like, let's get this guy on.
We gotta get this guy as our sound engineer.
Yeah. That's how you get a job.
Times were different back then. Not that much different though.
Avatar was good.
It had some 3D effects, I remember.
It had some 3D. I liked the Avatar. I didn't like the alien scenes because they were kind of, you know. We're in the forest. Huh? I like the robots.
Oh hell yeah, dude!
And the ships. I thought that was good. I guess I like it for the wrong reasons.
Hey, come on. Whatever you like it for.
The humans were cool, right?
Didn't you like the robot machines walking around making noises?
Yeah, when they're running out of the first like when he first like gets into the body and he runs into one of those robots and the robot is like, "Hey, watch ya, pal!" Like a New Yorker, but it's like a robot.
I'm walking here.
Hey, I'm walking here. Hey. Why would they like articulate machines like that?
Oh well, I wouldn't know.
Why is that a function in a robot?
That's weird. That's so weird. Wasn't like a human inside of it too, right?
Yeah. But when you see the cockpit, it's just two joysticks, I think.
Ah, yeah.
So like it makes no sense that he would pull his arms up like that.
Oh yeah.
Let me look this up. 'Cause I'm pretty sure. Maybe it is. Oh yeah, maybe they do fold the arms.
Is it kind of like Oculus Rift? What was that movie called? With the big monsters?
The movie Oculus Rift?
What was it called? With the big monsters and the robots? Something Rift, right?
Oh, Pacific.
Yeah, Pacific Rift. Rim. I was close though, come on.
I love that movie. I love the soundtrack too.
Yeah.
The whole idea of it, it's just... I don't know, it's cool.
Wait.
I just like big machines.
Big machines?
Yeah, I like that.
And I think you should be able to.
Some 3D effects. Almost the whole movie was a 3D effect. The humans were cool. Apparently they're going to release a sequel to Avatar in 2019. They're going to release like 10 sequels.
Yeah, a whole
it's crazy.
Basket.
Why, like as a creator, it's kind of like...
As
like,
a mom.
Like, no, but like, why say that? Why not just... I'll do a sequel and see how it feels. You know, like he's set to do like 10
It's kind of the
sequels.
same as with the Star Wars and the Marvels, you know? Like they have their 50-year planning. It's just crazy.
Like I would be so... There's no mystery to it. You know, the funny part about creating stuff is to do something new and unexpected. But they're just expecting to just churn out these movies now. It's, I don't know, it takes away the magic a bit.
Yeah, I agree. Engan probably loves Ghost in the Shell.
I do love Ghost in the Shell.
Man, she's got you figured out in just 10 minutes.
I love the new movie too. And that's apparently sacrilege to the original, but I love it.
I thought it was interesting.
So cool.
Give me some birds with your game.
I hope the sequels to Jurassic World are going to be better.
You're gonna make another one?
I don't know. I hope not.
But what about Chris Pratt and his dinos?
What about the cool guy, Chris Pratt,
Chris Prattison.
and his dog-like raptors? Wait, they are doing a new Jurassic World.
Ooh, this is creepy. The birds
What?
are spawning, but they are
But they are outside of the game.
frozen. Oh my god, they are frozen, dude. Ew.
Oh my god, that is scary.
Yeah.
That would actually be a good horror movie.
Look at these. It's just birds frozen in time. And I bet if I open up the wall right now, there's gonna be a bunch in the wall. No, I was wrong.
What if you shoot close to them?
Oh! No, there's nothing. They're dead.
They're just dead.
They're just dead, dude.
It's a dead world.
It's a dead world. It's a dead world for us.
As far as you don't like Death Note live action, we cool. I've never watched Death Note. I don't even know what it's about.
It's about a little guy that finds a little picture book. Notebook.
I'm like the most casual anime watcher. I've only seen like a few.
Do you lean back when you watch anime or lean forward when you watch anime?
I lean back
Alright.
and eat popcorn.
That's yummy.
I watched an anime the other day called Perfect Blue. It was really good.
You say really good, and I
was-
think a casual anime watcher would say it's okay.
It's about a
What was it called? Blue?
perfect blue.
Perfect blue.
I don't like the shows. I just watch movies. Except for Cowboy Bebop. That's a really good show.
Yeah.
But like it
You
was a
like the
good movie.
soundtrack?
Yeah, that's like the best part about it. No, it's not the best part, but it's equally good as the show.
It's a
Perfect.
good part.
It's a really good part. Thank you. My chair is getting old.
Oh.
What if you see my chair and it's just a skeleton chair made of bones?
What if I see you and you're the chair and the chair is sitting on you?
Isn't that a Rick and Morty thing?
Fuck. Fuck.
Fuck.
Wait.
Boku no Hero Academia.
Yeah, I've heard that one is really good too. I've been wanting to
Hero.
Oh, is it a song?
Boku no Hero Academia.
You would not hear that kind of music in that. Oh, Boku no.
Why say the Boku no Hero Academia?
Freaking cowboys in my animes.
I just cracked my leg.
Oh, you know you should crack it back ASAP. Why did you do it 2 times? Did you crack
Hey,
it
it's
back
me.
in place and then out of place?
It's me, Johnny 2 times.
Johnny 2 feet. I got 2 feet. That's what's special about me. It's not special, Johnny.
What do you think about people who make this sound instead of laughing?
I hate it. Or I like it if it turns into a laugh.
I think it's really cute.
I think if it turns into a laugh, it's good. If it's just that, I don't know, man.
What do you think about evil laughing that turns into coughing?
I freaking love it, dude.
Have we talked about this
Yes,
on stream?
not on stream.
Okay, guys. There's a thing. I don't even know how to talk about this. It's just a cliche, right? Or like a...
Yeah, a trope.
a trope in every single movie that has a villain that is a comedy movie. There's a scene when he's doing the evil laugh, and then it turns into him coughing.
Yeah.
In every single one, this happens, and it's the worst thing I've ever seen.
It's actually really bad, actually.
I really, really, really do not like it. Because it's always a little bit too long, like the coughing.
Oh, yeah.
Goes on forever, you know?
Yeah, and especially since you know the joke already. Like,
Yeah.
It always goes on for too long.
Oh. This is good. This stream is sounding insane right now.
Oh
The
yeah,
ramblings.
that's true. How many times does Axel say actually? I don't know. As many times as I fucking want, dude, actually. Actually, as many times as I want, dude. Get off my case, actually. Tell him again, stand up for me.
Yes.
Did you see that? Did you see these birds? It's the ugliest thing. But it's getting there.
Are we gonna change the bullets?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I think so. What would you want them to change to?
Human faces, various faces.
Dude, I don't know about that. Actually, I don't know about that, actually.
I
It's
would
an-
just go for smaller projectiles, honestly.
Yeah. Well, they need to be very readable as well.
Yeah, but like
They're kind of long and, you know, especially when they're, you know, together.
Yeah. Yeah, it's something we need to experiment with a bit. I think right now it's just Walter's first version, basically.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still like the same as when you started.
Yeah.
hey, chat, what do you think the bullet should be?
What should the bullets be? Sound out in the sound out in the chat.
Sing the Russian national anthem if you think the bullet should be square.
Yeah.
That's the only way of measuring what people think.
I hope someone is doing it at their computer right now.
Sing the Norwegian national anthem if you think the... It's a world with many annoying forms.
This is worse than an online poll.
I'm sorry, Meow. I ramble a lot, and
It's his thing, leave him alone.
I just say a lot of stuff that comes to my mind. It's a curse, really. It's not a fun thing.
I think it's a good thing, and I like it.
Do you really, though?
Yes.
Really?
And I will fight anyone.
Oh, I heard
Stop.
something weird today.
Let's hear it.
I live next to a highway, and I heard a gunshot and a car speeding away.
I like. That's a really good sound, I think.
It's like... And the thing is that I live in the middle of nowhere, so it's like, I don't know. Somebody might have been, you know, executed on the highway.
Did you find a corpse, or have you not gone out to look?
I'm too lazy.
Yeah, I understand.
Let the birds eat that. Isn't that a thing when you like have bread and you're like, I can't eat more. I'll throw it to the birds.
Let the birds eat that.
Let the birds take care of that.
Imagine the police at the crime scene.
Whatever. Let the birds.
Let
have
the
it.
birds have that one. Oh man, I don't. Let the birds have that. Oh, someone sang the Russian anthem. But now I forget why.
Sometimes the car makes gun sounds. Oh, it wasn't like a backblast sound or whatever it's called.
Oh, like a...
It was more like a... Yeah.
No, give us a taste.
The neighbor's shooting guns sometimes. I don't know, might be him.
Have you ever felt threatened by your neighbor?
No. I feel safer with him next to me.
That's good. Someone probably knows what he's talking about. Again,
What?
bore witness to a murderer. And that's
Murder letter.
that's a freaking Simpson quote.
Hi, little Homer.
Hi, Homer.
Hi, Homer.
Oh, you did it better than I did.
Hi. Okay,
Wait, who's this? Is this South Park now?
I lost it. Hi, Homer. Hey, somebody wrote in Russian in the Twitch chat.
Yeah.
I can read this. Hold on.
All right. We have a translator in our Discord now as well. Not the Russian translator though, I think.
Check this out.
All right.
The Union of the Indestructible Republics of Freedom, the Great Rus, has forever doused. Long live the people created by the will of the peoples, the only mighty Soviet Union. Is this a message from the 80s?
Is
this a message from...
Is this a book?
What if this is a message that bounced back when the Soviets went to space?
And it fell into our Twitch chat.
It just came here. It was sent by Yuri Gagarin.
Oh boy.
What if it's the dog trying to talk to us?
What?
Laika.
Oh, like. She's alive? She's in our Twitch chat?
She's alive? You sounded so real. Oh my god, Laika's alive? That is still like the saddest.
That's a mean thing to do.
She's been up there since 1958 or 7.
Do you think she had a good dog life in space?
I think she was just sitting in that pod doing the dog smile. And then just
Latsha.
sad. Yeah.
That's a horrible image.
I'm gonna see this phonetically.
Jeez.
How can I read phonetically?
How
it works. Oh, Soyuz nerежими Republik Zvodornik Zplatia Naveki Vlekaya Rozda Zdravziet Zovzdani Volej Narodzioneni Boguji Sovietskie Soyuz.
If we get kicked off Twitch now,
Because I'm praising the Soviet Union?
yeah. Do you think?
I think we could. Let's try.
Oh well, there's only one way to find out.
There's only one way to go, guys.
I mean, they need some more love, I feel like, right?
Axel and Angen's Adventures in the Soviet Union, the anime.
Is Laika with us?
Laika, hear my prayer.
It's an anime. Oh,
Have
it's
you
a
seen Space
90s anime. What, a Space Dandy?
Yeah,
No, but I've
There's
heard
no-
of it.
there's an episode with Laika in it.
Oh, nice.
It's the saddest episode ever.
Oh, that's not nice. Well, I mean, sad things can be nice. Come on. Rapapapapapakalia. I should probably make it easier to check these birds.
Man, it's sad that you can't stream in 60 FPS.
Yeah.
Because it makes the game look really, really, really like a lot better.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. I should do some more tests. And since I've been streaming mostly solo now anyways, then maybe I can push it to 60. I'll do my next stream in 60 and try it out. There's more Russian for you.
Oh, another Russian language thing. Okay, let's see this.
Another Russian.
Be glorious, our free fatherland. Friendship people, a reliable stronghold. The Soviet banner, the banner of the people. Let's lead from victory to victory. Okay.
Dude, not cool.
You don't think it's a good message?
Actually, now that you're kinda...
If we disconnect it from the actual Soviet Union.
Alright, good message. I didn't listen actually. Say it again. What, could you give me a summary?
I'll read it as a man from the South.
Okay.
Be glorious, our free fatherland. This is so weird. Friendship people, a reliable stronghold. Soviet banner, the banner of the people, was lead from victory to victory. God bless America.
Was that part of the Russian also?
No.
It was?
No.
Isn't there a 50 FPS option in OBS? There probably is. We could probably find that. But I mean, right now it's kinda saying 15 FPS.
Ugh, I gotta hop off in a bit.
That's fine. I gotta make food soon, so I'm gonna pack it up.
Yeah, it's 5:17 here in
1717, dude.
1717.
Oh, that's gonna be a good year. Was that? Oh no, that has already been. The year 1717. Yeah. Oh fuck. I wonder what happened that year.
1717 was the worst year.
Ooh. That's unfortunate.
Wait, you can actually check on Wikipedia like what happened in the years. It was a normal year. Apparently, I don't know what that means.
Well, the new birds need some love. But we're slowly getting our flying birds. That was real ugly.
Oh, we were at war with Denmark and Norway.
Ooh, that wasn't a good year then.
In 1717, on the 8th of July, a Danish-Norwegian fleet attacked Strömstad, which is a place.
Oh, hell yeah, it's a place.
In Bohuslän. And then on the 3rd of August, we beat them back again. So they never took it.
Too bad, Danes.
I don't know anything about those days, really. Like, I don't know, it's an interesting time period, though, for sure.
It's actually before I was born.
I remember when we...
Do you remember when we were fighting the Danes?
Yeah.
Man, it feels like ages ago.
Did you know that our king was born on this day?
No.
Yeah, he's been alive since then.
Huh. God bless the Queen King.
Hey, there's another Russian message.
Alright.
Another Soviet propaganda message. Here we go.
I hope it's nice.
Through the thunderstorms, the sun of freedom shone, and Lenin, gave us a great path. Stalin brought us up to be faithful to the people. Labor and deeds inspired us.
Is this a bot? Is this a Russian?
It might actually be a Russian bot. Do you think they put a lot of money into Twitch advertisement for their country?
For a country that doesn't exist?
Oh yeah, that's true. It feels like a waste of money, actually.
Maybe they're bringing it back.
They might be bringing it back, actually.
Oh well, I gotta go.
Yeah, I'm gonna pack up. I'm gonna pack up. But thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Got a bunch of new followers. Got raided. That was fun, right, Dangan?
Yeah, I wasn't here for that, but it was cool to watch. And also thank you to the Hungarian, actually, he said.
Oh,
he's not a bot.
that's kind of embarrassing.
But thank you for your sweet, inspirational words of wisdom from the good old days.
You gotta stop romanticizing this.
I'm not romanticizing the Soviet Union. I'm just.
But you just said, and I quote.
But you just said, and I quote.
Lenin was fucking sweet.
I mean, Lenin.
Are you googling if he was sweet?
Okay, he wasn't a good guy.
All right.
Being here.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.